Do you believe your creativity is nature versus nurture? Anong mas leaning kayo?
Nature and nurture. Kasi musical talent or musical gift is not enough. You have to work hard for it. You have to nurture the gift. And,
just like a diamond, a rough diamond. Magiging maganda lang yan pagka
pinalish.
kinat ng tama.
Sa songwriting, by just, sulat lang ng sulat. Ako, compared to Pido, na lyric-driven siya, ako melody-driven eh.
Medyo
para tayo. Mas may melody. Tapos yung melody na yun, minsan nararamdaman ko na agad. Parang merong ganung pakiramdam. Tapos in those melodies, yung end ng melody, minsan may lumalabas na letra. Minsan walang sense, walang...
Ay, yeah.
Di ba? Parang ganun. Pero
may maririnig kang bagay lang talaga siya na word.
Eksakto siya.
Kung gagawa ka ng kanta, kailangan married yung melody, the music, and the story.
Yeah.
The song, yung kwento,
The phrasing,
lyrics.